Hi, teachers. I am very excited to announce that we now have access to Brainpop. So, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your waffle menu here at the top. If you don't have it, you can make sure that you go to a Google product, your Gmail, or just google.com. You're going to scroll all the way down. In the same section that STEM Scopes is located, you'll see Brainpop. So, go ahead and click on Brainpop. So now you'll see what comes up is asking you what site you're at. So I'm just going to pick Mary Chapa for now. And now I get to start setting up my class. So I'm going to go to the dashboard here. I'm going to go to the teacher dashboard. And I'm going to set up a class. So what you're going to do is make a brand new class right here. And you can call it, cohort A. You can call it quarter two cohort A, whatever you feel is helpful for you. So we'll go ahead and do quarter two. How about that? That way, if I want to start again, I could do that if I wanted to. All right, we're going to press create class. So now these are the steps for students to go ahead and get in. They're going to go to Brainpop, same way through their waffle menu. It's going to ask them to enter the code at the top. Then they'll enter this code, which is unique to your class. And then it'll allow them to explore. You can assign assignments for them as well. And there's this nice little PDF that you could download and place in Google Classroom for them to see. Ideally, we would print these, right? But all you need is the one piece here, just this one box, which you could just take a picture and put that in Google Classroom. But anyway, you could also do the same thing here. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we can create an assignment. We're going to go create assignment. And there's a lot of really cool features. There's Brainpop, Brainpop Junior, and there's Brainpop ELL. This one's really great for students who are learning to speak English. It allows them to record themselves and to copy what they're hearing to help them understand English. It's great for newcomers, but there's a lot of different levels in there, so I encourage you to take a look. And then Brainpop Junior is for our littles, and then Brainpop is for our older students. So you can search it by Brainpop topic. So let's say I'm doing digital citizenship. Nope, not found. Okay, let's try this. Here it is, digital etiquette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there. So this is the video, and I've already looked at this one before. I really liked it, so I'm going to assign the movie. I want to assign the movie quiz, and I can choose if it's going to be review or graded. I'm gonna make it review. And there's also a map there they can fill out, like a graphic organizer from the video. There's also some cool coding things that they can do with it. And primary resources. Now, there's also primary sources, that they can read that are outside of the movie. So anyway, you can take a look at these, and I'll show you how to take a look at them when you're trying to vet them. But for now, let's just say this is all I want. Let's add the game too. Why not? This one was good. Okay, so now I'm going to go to next. And then here's the title of the assignment. Any instructions you want to give to kids. Here you have a chance to delete any of these that you don't like. You can also change the order of them. Next. There's a due date, which is optional, and schedule for later. So we're going to go ahead and assign. Whoops, I have to select a class. Quarter two. Oh, and it doesn't have any students. So let me add a student real quick. 1 second. So the code was, you know what? I'm going to do it to this one because I know I have a student in there. I only have one, but that's okay. So we're assigning it to period 1, and I'm going to press assign. So now I can view the assignment. I can also copy the assignment link so I can post that in Google Classroom. It'll take them straight there since they're logged in with their Chromebook. So they'll go here. And these are all of the assignments, and it gives you an opportunity to look at them again. And you can go through them. You can also encourage students to use the closed captioning feature. This is great for our EL students. It's great for all of us, I think, maybe just me. I'm a lifelong EL. So we're going to go to settings, and you can choose for the speed to be original, high quality. You might want to pick low quality if they tend to have slower speed internet, and that might help them. And so you can do this too. We'll go quality low and speed slower. So it'll play a little slower for students who maybe are having a hard time learning English still. But you could just do original speed and then low quality, or high quality if they have good access to internet. Anyway, here are the other assignments that they have to do. It'll show them the percentage of what they have done. You get to go look at the teacher dashboard and see what students have done and what they've accomplished. So I'm going to look at, I'm going to look at period 1 and see what they've done. So this is the assignments that I've given them. And one of them has done this coronavirus assignment, and I can check who it was, and I can check some of the grades and all of that they got from it. I can also, this is really cool right here, when you click on the student one, you can see the page as the student would see it. So it'd be great for you to show students what it would look like for them on their end. And then they pretty much just go, and then they watch those things or do the activities. So this one has the movie, the quiz, and related readings. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you need anything else. I'm really excited to let you know that Brainpop is up and running for us again. All right, everybody, take care.